Hello my dear friends. Do you like birds? Birds are feathered, two-legged, winged, egg-laying and warm-blooded animals. They have beaked mouths. Most birds can fly, but there are some that cannot fly. Birds are extremely important to our environment. Let's learn about a few of them today.
Eagles. Eagles are one of the largest and strongest birds in the sky. They are extraordinary hunters. Eagles have fantastic eyesight that helps them see 3 to 4 times farther than humans. They have hooked beaks and sharp talons. Their grip is up to 10 times stronger than humans. Eagles have excellent hearing as well, even though we cannot see their ears. Eagles can fly as high as 15,000 feet. They can fly very fast, and are capable of reaching speeds over 150 miles per hour. Eagles primarily prey on fish, but also eat other animals such as snakes, rabbits, rats, raccoons, young pigs, goats, sheep and birds. They spend minutes studying their prey, and attack when the time is right. Sometimes eagles steal prey from hawks, ospreys, and other eagles too. Eagles are more active during the day and sleep or rest at night. They make the biggest bird nests on top of high cliff. The largest eagles have a wingspan of 8 foot long. Eagles usually live in the wild for 20 to 30 years. The oldest known eagle in the wild lived for about 38 years. Their beaks warp and bend upon aging. Once their beaks change shape, it becomes hard for them to feed. The bald eagle is serving as the national emblem of the United States.
Parrots. They are very colorful and attractive birds. There are around 393 species of parrots such as rainbow lorikeet, red-crowned Amazon, budgerigar, hyacinth macaw, monk parakeet around the world. Parrots are very intelligent and smart. Some parrots have the intelligence of a 5-year-old child, and can be taught memory games, tricks, and skits. They can imitate sounds to fit in with their surroundings. Some parrots can learn and mimic human speech too. They can see colors more clearly than humans due to their acute eyesight. Parrots eat pretty much anything like fruit, veggies, seeds, nuts, insects and even meat. They have a curved, extremely strong beak, with the top part of it larger than the bottom. They can grasp onto their food with one foot and then move it up to their beak so they can nibble on it. Parrots usually sleep for 12 hours in a standing position. They have a long life expectancy of 40 to 100 years. Most parrots nest inside trees, in tree cavities. Out of all the parrot species, the kakapo parrot is the only one that cannot fly.
Cockatoo. Cockatoos look somewhat like parrots, but are generally big in size, and have a detailed head crest. There are 21 species of cockatoos such as salmon-crested, conure white, gray and yellow cockatiel, red-tailed black cockatoo and galah. They come in different colors, including white, black, pink, as well as close to red. Cockatoos are very social animals that love attention. Because of their beauty, friendliness, and personalities, they are very popular as pet birds. Cockatoos are loud birds. In the wild, they use loud noises to contact other cockatoos and warn of danger. As pets, they would be just as loud when they seek attention or are bored. Their contact calls can be heard for up to a mile or more away. Cockatoos like to eat fruit, nuts, seeds, blossoms, leaf buds and insects. They can break hard nuts open with their beaks. The average cockatoo lifespan is 20 to 40 years in the wild. However, taking care of a cockatoo as a pet can increase its lifespan to anywhere between 40 to 100 years.
Owl. Owls have been known as mysterious creatures of the night. They come in different shapes and sizes, anywhere from 4 inches to almost 3 feet tall. Most owl species are active and hunt at night, and sleep during the day. They have the best night vision compared to any other animal on Earth. Unlike other birds, owls make almost no sound when they fly. Their feathers help them fly silently. Owls are masters of camouflage. Their feather colors help them blend in with the natural environment. They can also puff themselves up or slim themselves down as needed to match various elements of their surroundings. Did you know that owls cannot move their eyes to look around? Instead, they swivel their entire head 270 degrees in order to see their surroundings. Owls have 3 eyelids, one for blinking, one for sleeping, and another one for keeping the eyes clean and healthy. Owls eat rodents, small or medium-sized mammals, insects, fish, and other birds, including smaller owls. Their powerful legs and sharp talons help them land, catch and kill their prey quickly. A barn owl can eat up to 1,000 mice each year. They have no teeth in their beaks to chew prey. Instead, they swallow it whole or in large chunks. There are over 200 species of owls around the world. They can live up to 25 years.
Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds have gotten their name because of the humming sound their wings make as they fly. They are nicknamed hummers, flying jewels, or flower suckers. Hummers are very small birds. They produce the smallest eggs in the world. In fact, the smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird. Their nests are super small and built with spider webs. Hummers eat a lot. They can eat more than twice their body weight daily. They love sugar. They are attracted to bright-colored flowers because those colors indicate there is nectar with higher sugar content inside. In addition to the nectar from flowers and feeders, these birds eat small insects, beetles, ants, aphids, gnats, mosquitoes, and wasps. Did you know that these smart birds can remember every flower and feeder they have visited? Hummingbird flight is like nothing else in the bird world. They beat their wings thousands of times per minute, averaging about 50 times per second. They are the only birds in the world that can truly hover. They can fly straight up and down, backwards and forwards, or even upside down. They can fly up to 75 miles an hour, and can slow down from 25 miles an hour to a dead stop within your index finger length. When seasons change, hummingbirds travel very long distances looking for food. Ruby-throated hummingbirds fly over the open water of the Gulf of Mexico rather than following the longer shoreline route. These brave little birds can fly non-stop up to 500 miles to reach the U.S. shores. It takes them approximately 18 to 22 hours to complete this amazing solitary flight.
Flamingo. Flamingos are colorful birds. Their size, stance, color, and association are very unique. There are 6 flamingo species, such as Greater, American, Lesser, Chilean, Jameses and Andean. Fully grown flamingos stand at 4 feet to 5 feet tall. Their long neck and long legs are extremely useful to find food in deep cold waters while keeping their body dry and warm. They can stand on one leg for a long time. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white with fluffier plumage to keep them warm. It can take them up to 3 years to achieve mature pink, orange, or red plumage color. Did you know that flamingo nests are made of mud? They look like mini mud volcanoes, with room for one large egg. They lay only 1 egg a year. Their eggs are similar to chicken eggs, white on the outside and yellowish or reddish on the inside. Flamingos live in coastal lagoons, lakes, marshlands, mudflats, tidal flats, mangrove swamps, and sandy islands. All flamingo species can survive on high-altitude salt flats, highly salty lagoons, and alkaline lakes. Flamingos have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years in the wild.
Friends, the birds are interesting and wonderful creatures of nature. Check out our next video to learn about more birds.